Chronic Entertainment. Shorty.
Never really had a choice, but I came here with a voice, cause I think I made a choice. So I think you need advice. Look, first of all, the system crazy, it just plays games. Cause when you think you're doing fine, it just brings pains. Just think about it, you didn't even choose your own names. I mean, I would have loved to be bushy eye flames, but what I hate the most is working when there's no gain. Cause people cut you off like you was some picture frame, but I'm always underground like some maize grains. So when you cut me off, just know I'm off to better things. I met my cash, she told me this time we won't add no strings. But like I said, so long I'm off to newer things. Imagine going to the restroom 4 times in a row. I guarantee none of you want that listen to your soul. And if that's too hard, then try grabbing onto God's own, cause he's just one of the things that makes your heart so. He leaves you in some deep thoughts like what you living for. I think I wanna get rich when I turn 24. Never really had a choice. I just never really had a choice. Never really had a choice. Thank God that I got a voice. Never really had a choice. I just never really had a choice. Never really had a choice. Thank God that I got a voice. Have you ever thought about it really? The times in school, did you have a choice really? Did you have a best friend named Billy? Or am I just tryna sound all silly with the medicated couple spilly? Feeling good about my life too easy, so I don't care if you wanna tease me, cause in the end you gon' feel all sleepy. I'm just tryna be the man on the mission. Everything that I am doing is too close to my ambition. If you can be all this, then you're not part of my vision. You just take most of my time like you were black white television. In the past, I used to have friends that could relax, but I whisper to myself I need that money fast. Cause in this life that we live, we gotta pay tax. We never had a choice, but I guess this a fact. So never really had a choice. I just never really had a choice. Never really had a choice. Thank God that I got a voice. Never really had a choice. I just never really had a choice. Never really had a choice. Thank God that I got a voice.
I never really had a choice, but I came here with a voice. Plus I came here with my voice. So even like I be jazz. But before that, ninafunza wagai is a friend. Mundu wako ngati binesi chitika. Akufunda chepa ja vintu vichitika. Never really had a choice, but I came here with a voice. So I think ninga pange plan, cause a man with a plan is a man with a vision, and a man with a vision. Sunga mukate, when you plant a seed, I pray to God that you made it. We made bad choices and we made great choices. We made good music and you moved with the rhythm. Someone heard, nobody's perfect. And life is a journey, now my choices you see. Bantu woku konda futi, bantu woku zone. Some without you, but I will remove my foot. The same people come back to Kapela, Zemba fit. But fly baby fly, it's free as a bird. I say fly baby fly, it's free as a bird. Yeah man.
Shine your light so you see in the darkness. We made in his image, just in his own likeness. Moving with a step woman, saved by his grace. We're moving with a step woman, saved by his grace.
Adjust your mindset and have some money thoughts. 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 Look, there's a difference between poor and broke. Don't get it twisted, boxer system stay woke. In this life we only live, then we go. Adjust your mindset, then have some money thoughts. There's a difference between poor and broke. Don't get it twisted, broke the system, stay woke. In this life we only live, then we go. Adjust your mindset, then have some money thoughts. Yeah. Adjust your mindset, then have some money thoughts. That's just something that I was taught with some interesting quotes. You know the Bible never lies, though they use it in courts. I don't know why they say that money is the root of evil thoughts. But wait a minute, let's just go back to thoughts. What if the government had power and just took away votes? How would the people use the power to bring out their own voice? You know the times when you don't have money, you ain't got a choice. But in this life you really gotta have a choice, or else one day, just someday, you lose your voice. The deep part about money is that everybody thinks it's evil, men don't believe that.
Money was never made to be evil. It's just a reflection of your character, so if it makes you evil, then you were spilling out what you hold inside, deep inside, so you best check and work on your character.
I'm from a broken home. I've had broken bones, I've had broken thoughts, my eyes have seen a lot. Acting drama is the root of all evil, my people say. Once the banner dread in my rasta, for why I say, don't get confident, I'm happy and kashi. Where the rich die poor, yeah to country. I'm on the roof, mommy fast, yeah. All I really want is nothing to get paid. Drama si magazi boy, drama si za fancy. Drama ni remote, matinika wakazi ya. Get broke, take no, don't joke. 10 pockets, no joke. 10 workers need 4. I'm Quasimodo, I feel like Kim Joe. I'm telling Uncle Joe, I'm yelling mind control. Been selling culture too. These kids in public schools get cheese like mice do. They walk all I do, so why would they see us out here? Don't miss food, honey. No evil in my side, like poof poof. Parade, good vibes like all day. You feel me, every time I wanna be Dangote, Wakula, away. Your mindset, you won't change. Your dreams are still buried. Push me from one side, my mindset, you won't break. Cut me out to circle, I must stay out. Like okay, my real name, I don't fake, yeah.
There's a difference between poor and broke. Don't get it twisted, box the system, stay woke. In this life we only live, there we go. Adjust your mindset, then have some money thoughts. There's a difference between poor and broke. Don't get it twisted, box the system, stay woke. In this life we only live, there we go. Adjust your mindset, then have.
Study to show yourself approved. You can't do that on Sunday. At church.
Look, it's a battle of the truth and absolute. But trust me, brethren, at the same time it is absolute. The key to freedom is knowledge, and to that I salute. The key to knowledge, my brother, is simply just the truth. And that's exactly the type of wisdom I feed the youth. That's why on a daily I'm learning and preaching in a booth. Writing what's written and letting it flow right through my mouth. Cause what is written is solid, but it is not enough. Imagine history has been changed, and that is sad. That's why this school education really just makes me mad. But anyway, let me preach, brother, on what is bad. Go with me please to Philippians 2 verse 4 and 5. The Bible tells us our interest should affect us.